we're looking at the named storms we've seen in the Pacific. And we're talking about Willa this week on the Weather Network.
That's right.
That was in the Eastern Pacific, but in the Central Pacific, we had what is known as Walaka, and that made a huge impact on one island.
It did, essentially wiping it out. We're saying it erased East Island, you know, and they, scientists said they saw this coming, that this would eventually happen. Did they think they would discover it this week? No, you know, so, and we'll show you these incredible before and after photos. So the top one there, taken back in May, that's the island, and then in October following Walaka. So adding to the list too, it was a Category 5 hurricane.
Right.
We were talking about this as a very popular story as well, it being a record-setting year, already 9 so far. So incredible. And so with this story too, although it's a very small islet, it's a very crucial part, a breeding ground essentially for things like sea turtles and the Hawaiian seal monks. And here's this adorable tweet that was actually taken from earlier this year when these two, we're calling them the best friends, survived Hurricane Lane.
Because they were together.
They were together, they were getting through it. So now, you know, they're saying there's an action plan in place to figure out what they need to do in terms of this habitat.
Well, because it's always important, these small islands, for the ecosystem and the entire, you know, cycle of life generally.
For sure.
So this article is on our website, theweathernetwork.com, as well as other stories. You can always check it out there. Right now, we're going to check out your local forecasts.